The soil lump. Wrap the corresponding yarn around your fingers like this. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn crossover. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed. Yarn hook, pull through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Then work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is one stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. Through the underneath of the V, work 7 more single crochets in the same way. Insert hook into the magic ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through both loops on the hook. One more time. Insert hook into the ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through both loops on the hook. Continue to work the remaining single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work one snip stitch in the marked stitch to join this round. The snip stitch won't be counted into the number of stitches. Insert hook into this marked stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the original loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with one chain stitch. Then work 8 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Start from the previous marked stitch to work 1 single crochet. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through both loops on the hook. Place a marker in the first stitch of each round. Okay. Work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 7 more increases. We work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Finally, work snip stitch in the market stitch. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Work 1 single crochet first. Place a marker in the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. 1 single crochet and 1 increase are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. We demonstrated 4 sets. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Okay, finally work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 8 times. 1 increase first, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Next, 2 single crochets. Okay, 1 increase and 2 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 1 increase and 2 single crochets as 1 set. We demonstrated 4 sets. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. 8 sets are done. Remove the marker. Work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 8 times. 3 single crochets first. Also mark the first stage. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 3 single crochets and 1 increase are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. We demonstrated 4 sets. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. 8 sets are done. Finally, work 1 snip stitch. Remove the marker. Insert hook into this marked stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the ranging loop on the hook. Round 5 is done.